Hi everyone, how are you? I know you people are good, right? Okay, in my previous video I have told you how to convert imperative and assertive to the indirect speech. In this video I'm going to tell you how to convert interrogative and exclamatory to the indirect speech. Firstly, interrogative. What are interrogative type of sentences? These are the sentences that are in the form of questions. They are of two types, informative and confirmative. What is informative? I have already told you that these are the questions, they require an explanation. All these words comes under informative. WH words, how many, how much. WH words are nothing but what, why, when, where. Such word comes under informative type. Here these are the rules to convert informative to the indirect speech. What are they? If the reporting verb contains said to, it will be changed to asked. If the reporting verb contains says, it will be changed to asks. Say to ask. Okay. And the second rule, to remove inverted commas, nothing was added. Okay. We shouldn't add anything to remove inverted commas. And the third rule, cross-examine pronoun and helping verb. Here we should cross-examine helping verb and pronoun in indirect speech. Okay. And the next type is confirmative, simply called yes or no. For example, do you drink coffee? Will you go to movie? Is it raining? All this type of questions comes under confirmative. They usually start with auxiliary verbs. Okay. And here these are the rules to convert into indirect speech. What are they? Said to. If the reporting verb contains said to, it will be changed to asked. Says to ask. Say to ask. Same here. Okay. And the second rule is, here to remove inverted commas, we should add if or whether. Okay. And the third rule is cross-examine pronoun and auxiliary verb. We should cross-examine pronoun and auxiliary verb in indirect speech. Okay. Let's go to the example. Here one thing to remember is that interrogative sentences are nothing but questions. Generally questions, they contain question mark, right? While you convert it into the indirect speech, this question mark is replaced with period or full stop. Okay. Now go to the example. He said to me, where are you going? Okay, this is informative type. Then what is the rule number 1? Said to will be replaced with asked. Okay, he asked me. To remove inverted commas, nothing was added. Okay, we shouldn't use anything. Where, cross-examine, you is in second person, me, so you will be changed as I. Where I are going. Are going is in present continuous. Okay. Here the reporting verb is in past tense. So the tense changes. Okay. Present continuous will be changed to past continuous. Are will be changed as was. Where I was going. Period. Okay. Now go to the second example. She says, who is he? Here the reporting verb is in present tense. Here the tense will not change. Okay. She asks who, cross-examine. Here this is the third person. It will not change in indirect speech. Okay. Who, he, is will be changed to is here because it is in present tense. Present tense changes to present tense. Okay. Lastly, period. Now go to the other example. He said to me, where do you buy this pen? Okay, tell me. He, said to will be changed as asked me, where, cross-examine, I, do. Present tense will be changed to simple past, bought, V2 form. Okay, this will be changed to that, pen. Okay, here the question mark replaced with period here. Okay, now look at this. He said to me, where did you buy this pen? Okay, tell me. He asked me, where, cross-examine, I did. This is in simple past. Simple past will be changed to past perfect, where I had plus V3, bought This is changed to that. That pen. Okay. Now look at this. He said to me, are you going to film? Observe the reported speech. Are you going to film? We can simply answer it by saying yes or no. So this is confirmative. Now follow the rules and convert. Okay. He said to will be changed as asked me. Here to remove inverted commas we should use if or whether. Whether or if. Cross-examine. Use the second person. You will be changed to I. If I are going. Present continuous. Present continuous will be changed to past continuous because here the reporting verb is in past tense. Was going to film. Full stop. Okay. Now look at this. She said to him, have you done this work? Okay, this is a confirmative. Now tell me. She asked him if. Cross-examine. You, second person, refers to him. So it will be changed as if he have done. It is in present perfect. Present perfect will be changed to past perfect. If he had plus V3 had done, this will be changed to that work. Full stop. Okay. And the fourth one is exclamatory type. What are exclamatory type of sentences? These are the sentences that they express our feelings and emotions. For example, oh, what a beautiful flower it is. That they expressed our feeling and emotion. Okay, such type of sentences are called exclamatory sentences. Here the exclamation mark is used at the end of exclamatory sentence. Okay, and the rules to convert exclamatory sentence to the indirect speech. What are they? First rule, the interjections such as alas, hooray or wow in reported speech are omitted. Okay. The second rule, if the reporting verb contains said or said to, it will be changed to exclaimed with joy or exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed with a great joy. Okay. The third rule, to remove inverted commas we should use that. And the fourth rule, if the reported speech begins with what or how, then in indirect speech we should convert it as in great joy or in great wonder. Okay. Now let's go to the example. It will be clear. Okay. Now look at this. He said, hooray, I have won the match. Now tell me, he said is replaced with exclaimed. Exclaimed with hooray tells about joy. To remove inverted commas we should use that. He exclaimed with joy that I. First person refers to he. He have won is in present perfect. Change it to past perfect. Had won the match. Okay. Now this. She said, alas, my brother went to USA. Tell me, she exclaimed with alas tells about sorrow that my refers to her, that her brother went, this is in simple past, change it to past perfect, had plus V3 gone to USA. Okay, is it clear? Here is another example. He said, how lucky I am. Here the reported speech begins with how. Such type of sentences should be converted as he said in great wonder. I have told you, right, that I refers to he here. He am, simple present, change it to simple past. He was very lucky or simply lucky. Okay. These are the 4 types of sentences converting direct to the indirect speech. I hope you people understood. Thank you.